Saunders, and she's from Nana Trinkets. A very warm and welcome.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about yourself and Nana's Trinkets.
Okay, so Nana's Trinkets, what I do is I make jewelry out of broken plates. And then with all the leftovers, I do mosaic workshops. And the way it all came about is that I got retrenched during COVID and I took a stained glass course. But then I eventually found out that stained glass is so expensive and it's a bit old-fashioned.
Yeah.
You know? So I was on Pinterest the one day, that rabbit hole you never come out of.
Yes, yes, that Pinterest one. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I saw this lady making jewelry out of plates, and I thought that's exactly the same concept. You are cutting up pottery or porcelain, you're grinding it to make it smooth, you're putting solder around the edges, and so that's how Nana's Trinket started.
Oh, so it's also a COVID thing, coming out of, being in COVID and doing what you love.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
What is there for Nana's Trinkets? What can we expect and do and see?
Well, I've just found that I love to be creative, and then it keeps me busy. But during the course of doing the mosaic, I've realized there's a lot of people out there and they're looking for something to do to relax them and to bring out their own creative spirit.
Okay.
So what I did was I started these mosaic workshops. And what makes it different to the normal ones is that instead of us going to a restaurant, I get invited to a person's home. And they have 5 or more of their friends over.
Oh, nice.
And I bring everything with me. I bring the mosaic, the grouting, the glue, the boards, everything.
So it's like a cool entertainment kind of story.
And they're
going
much more relaxed. I draw the designs on the boards beforehand.
Yeah.
And that also makes people a lot more relaxed because now they realize that it's halfway there and all they have to do is just put on the mosaic.
And it's therapy as well.
Absolutely. And it's amazing. You can have 10 people doing the exact same design, but everyone looks different.
Yeah.
Different colors, different variations, and and they have a good time.
So how do we get the broken plates? Where do you get all of those brokennesses everywhere?
Well, trust me. Whenever I hear a knock on my door, I know somebody's dropped a plate.
Oh.
And then they just go, could you use this? And of course I can use it.
Okay.
Otherwise I go and I frequent all the charity shops in our area.
Yeah.
Because when people are relocating, they take all their odds and ends to the charity shops. And nobody wants to buy just one plate. They always want to buy sets of plates.
Yes.
So that's where I get, and especially if they got nice designs, then, I will go and cut it up. And take all the best parts out, and then whatever's left, that's what gets made into mosaic.
Okay, so there's quite a creativeness going.
Yeah, and it's upcycling.
Okay, yeah, it's definitely upcycling.
I'm very much into recycling, upcycling. So
all cycling. So where can we find you when we are interested to host a let's say a mosaic party or something, and saying, listen, we need a little bit of therapy. We had a stressed
Absolutely.
week.
Well, look, I've got a website, Nana's Trinkets, NANAS_TRINKETS.co.za.
Oh, fantastic.
And otherwise, they can phone me on 061 632 6751.
So there you've got
That's
it.
my WhatsApp number.
Yeah, Nana's Trinkets. Thank you so much for being with us. And we definitely hope that your business is growing,
And who knows, maybe you'll come to one of my workshops.
I would love to, and we will bring some broken plates with. I'm not
Absolutely.
saying brokenness. I almost wanted to say that, but it's a broken plate. So if anyone knows or has broken plates or cups or whatever,
they can phone me.
just phone Tania. That's
Love
it. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Okay, cheers.